Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker, and today we're visiting an apartment at Jing'an MRT, and it is 3 MRT stations from Guting MRT. That's where NTNU is. So there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a kitchen. Let's go check it out. Okay, so this is a living room, and there are 3 rooms, 1 and 2 and 3, and there's a kitchen and a shared bathroom. So let's start from and there's a balcony, and the tenants, they are talking on the hang out at the balcony. So we'll start from the living room. So there's a TV and a big couch, a coffee table, and some painting on the wall, and the wall is green. And here there's an AC and some storage space. Yeah. And here it is another storage space for you to put the sauce, rice, and an oven, and a kitchen, a full kitchen. Okay, there is a freezer. Okay, and a big window, and stoves, 2 stoves, and a stove fan, and a shelf, and a sink. Okay. All right. Okay, and from this angle, and the bathroom. Okay, and mirror, and it's a separate dry bathroom, Western style. Shelf, and a shower. There's a fan. All right, and this is the bedroom. There's a desk. There's a desk and a chair and a closet. Big closet. And an AC, a mirror, a double bed, and some storages. Shelf, and you have your window balcony. It's common in Taiwan, so you can hang your dryer clothes here. Okay. All right. All right.